It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I had no intentions on making a video today at all. I anticipate getting these sneakers in before Thanksgiving, but I wasn't planning on making a video for them. This is one of the reasons I don't buy worn sneakers. These sneakers have been worn once or twice. And this is the box they came in. Just like this. I wear a size 11. As you can see there on the label, this says 8.5. These are Jordans. The box says Nike Zoom Hyper Rev 2016. I didn't order a Nike Rev. I don't even know what that is. But we're gonna see inside this box if this is what I ordered. Alright, before we crack into this box, if you're new and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Alright, little story time. I found some, what are they? Are they motorsports? 3's? For $100. And usually when things, I'm very aware of scams on eBay and everything else like that, but 100% rating, you know, all of that. So I did my due diligence and seeing if this was a legit seller. And I'm gonna open this right here on the channel with y'all. So if I got scammed, y'all gonna see it live and in person. And I'm gonna post it. Now, if it's what it's supposed to be, then it's a good day. Because I don't really care about the box as much. Who ships sneakers like this? Everybody knows that you double box sneakers. Now, obviously, it won't matter as much because it's not an OG box anyway. So even if it was in a Jordan box, it wouldn't matter because it's a size 8.5 box, and I wear an 11. But can you squeeze a size 11 sneaker into a size 8.5 box? Duct tape. The moment of truth. Joso looking on.
I want to help.
I'm not even gonna look in the box. And it is, let me make sure it's the right size. Size 11. Jordan 3 Motorsports. Only worn a couple times. Okay. Now, we can get into the sneaker. My spirits are a little higher. Now you can see whoever had these sneakers prior to me has choked these sneakers out. These look like these, I don't know who, this is like how Zion Williams wears his sneakers. I have no idea why anybody, the damn lace holes are damn near touching. It's very strange. Do not wear your sneakers that way. So, it went from me being, I'm still a little disappointed by the packaging, but I'm very, very happy with my purchase. 100% authentic Very good quality. I'm always gonna change these insoles out. I've only bought, I think, one other pair of worn sneakers, and that was those old, I don't even know what year it is, Cardinal 7s, the OG Cardinal 7s that were worn once, and I got those off eBay as well. So I lucked out. The seller is not gonna give a 5 rating for me just because of that packaging is ridiculous. But as you can see, what year is this? This is 2014, right? Yeah, the 2014 pair. You got your Jordan 3. They don't look as good because, like I said, how he has. Look at this. Look how these are laced. Look how tight. Look how tight these are squeezed together. But as you can see, it's very minimal creasing. It barely look worn. It's just like looks like tumble leather across the toe box, and you got that pebble tumble leather across the medial and the lateral side. You got your blue Jumpman on the tongue, and these are dope. Now, I got these for $100 shipped. And these, I've been watching these for a long time, and I finally put them in my cart because he had kept dropping the price. So I got these for a steal. I kind of got robbed on the box, but you don't wear the box. It's my size. He squeezed them into some rep box that he had laying around, I'm assuming, and shipped them off to me. $100 shipped out the door. So let me know if y'all got any horror stories as far as people not double boxing. That's ridiculous. Like, now if that was the original OG box that he shipped like that, I would be highly upset. I would be very upset. But like I said, man, can't be mad at these. Outside of the choke job on the lacing, I'll just have to loosen those up, change the outsoles out. I do not put my foot on top of nobody else's foot. But I guess I lucked out. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. Last tip, hit that thumbs up button for me. Hit that like button.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's the same thing. Hit the subscribe button and join the movement, man. I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. OV!